Imagine you and your friend live across the country. You want to trade your rare Pokemon card for their birthday money. How do you do it safely? You need a trusted messenger. This is similar to what banks face when sending money internationally. They need a secure way to communicate payment instructions. Before SWIFT, this process was slow and risky. It was like sending your Pokemon card through regular mail and hoping for the best. SWIFT provided a solution, a fast, reliable, and secure messenger for the financial world. Before SWIFT, international money transfers were a headache. Banks relied on telex, a system like a very slow, complicated telegram. Messages were prone to errors. Delays were common. Security was a major concern. Imagine waiting weeks for your Pokemon card trade with the risk of it getting lost or stolen. This system clearly wasn't ideal for a rapidly globalizing world. Something better was needed. In 1973, SWIFT, the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, was created. Over 200 banks from 15 countries joined forces. Their goal? To create a faster, more secure way to send financial messages globally. SWIFT introduced a standardized messaging system. This is like having a universal language for banks to communicate payment instructions. With SWIFT, the process became much smoother and more efficient. It's important to note, SWIFT doesn't actually move money, it moves information. Think of SWIFT as the messenger, not the bank. It carries the instructions for a payment, not the money itself. When you buy something from another country, your bank uses SWIFT to send payment instructions to the seller's bank. This message includes details like the amount, currency, and account numbers. Section 5, SWIFT's VIP clients, the world's financial players. Today, over 11,000 financial institutions in over 200 countries use SWIFT. This includes big international banks, central banks like the Federal Reserve, stock exchanges, and businesses that make international transactions. Basically, anyone who needs to send or receive money internationally relies on SWIFT. Section 6. SWIFT's impact, from coffee to cars. SWIFT plays a critical role in the global economy. It enables trillions of dollars to change hands every day. Think about it, almost every product or service you use has likely been impacted by SWIFT. The coffee you drink, the clothes you wear, the car you drive, all rely on SWIFT for international payments. Without SWIFT, international trade and commerce would be significantly slower and more expensive. Section 7, SWIFT and you everyday connections. Even if you don't work in finance, SWIFT still affects your life. When you travel abroad and use your credit card, SWIFT is working behind the scenes. If you send or receive money from family overseas, SWIFT is involved. SWIFT's impact is widespread, connecting people and businesses across borders. Section 8, the future of SWIFT, a network in evolution. The financial world is constantly evolving, and SWIFT is evolving with it. New technologies and innovations are changing how we move money. SWIFT is investing in new services and partnerships to stay ahead of the curve. Its goal remains the same: to provide fast, secure, and reliable financial communication for the world. Section 9. Conclusion: SWIFT's enduring legacy. From its humble beginnings, SWIFT has become an essential part of the global financial system. It has revolutionized how money moves around the world, facilitating international trade and economic growth. While it may operate behind the scenes, SWIFT's impact is undeniable. The next time you buy something from another country, remember the invisible messenger that made it possible: SWIFT.